Hello, this is Brian Resnick. I had a question from one of my radio show listeners. If Trump's tariffs are supposed to help the economy, why are major companies like Walmart laying off employees, raising prices? And if prices eventually fail to rise, wouldn't that just bring prices back to where they were starting, meaning no real benefit for the net consumer? So at the end of the day, a lot of what's going on with tariff talks are really talks. This is a negotiation strategy. So what our president is currently doing in this administration, they're trying to get countries around the world to do fair trade, equal trade with the U.S. You have to remember, the U.S. has basically been the piggy bank for most of the world with unfair trade against us and basically not allowed to sell into their countries or without really extra cost structure. So with that said, these are negotiations. Ultimately, as we have fair trade with other countries, prices not necessarily will come down, but you're not going to have inflationary problems that I think a lot of people would expect. By having really fair trade, you bring back more to the U.S., grows our U.S. economy, and that's what really is going to prosper the poor, middle class, and the rich alike. So don't think of these tariffs talks as bringing down your prices. Think about it as growing the economy. So that means if in 5 years, instead of you making $60,000 a year, you're making $75,000 a year, well, you're making a lot more money. And if prices don't rise fast because inflation's intact, ultimately, you have more spending power, you have more money to save. You're a wealthier consumer. So fair trade makes the U.S. wealthier and more resilient. Fair trade helps you, the consumer, obviously keep prices at a steady level and more consistent, and allows for the economy to do well, which means higher wages, higher earnings, and basically more prosperity to the U.S. worker and the U.S. citizen in general. If you're not a client of Resnick Wealth Management, you should become a client. Go to ResnickWealth.com. Click on that consultation tab, subscribe instantly to any of our downloads of questions and so on. You'll benefit from the education. It'll help you prosper and really secure your financial future. Have a safe and profitable day.